Hi, I am Raymond Gerard R. Sampang, and here's a brief overview of Isabela and Sarangani provinces in the Philippines. Isabela province is located in the Cagayan Valley region in the northeastern part of Luzon Island. Its capital city is Ilagan. The province of Isabela is known for agriculture major products including rice, corn, sugarcane, and tobacco. It has significant forestry and mining industries featuring a mix of plains, mountains, and river systems. Key rivers include the Cagayan and Magat rivers. Sarangani province is located in the Sacsayhuaman region in the southern part of Mindanao Island. Its capital is Alabel, when primarily agricultural with significant production of crops like bananas, coconuts, and corn. It also has a growing aquaculture industry. It also features coastal areas, lowlands, and mountainous regions. It has beautiful beaches and coral reefs. Isabela and Sarangani provinces offer a mix of natural beauty and cultural heritage, contributing to their unique character and local economies. So what are you waiting for? Choose tourism, choose you in Manila.